Hello friends, welcome back to BitSize Japanese, where we learn one JLPT grammar pattern with 3 examples to master it. In today's BitSize Japanese, we're going to focus on the JLPT N3 grammar point, o kudasai. We usually use this with the massive form, the polite form of the verb, and it basically means please. Let's take a look at some of the keywords for the first example.黄色い線. 黄色い線 is yellow line. 黄色い線, yellow line. The next one is 内側. 内側 is inside or inner side. 内側. The next word is お下がりください. お下がりください. So please step back. お下がりください. One more time. 黄色い線, 内側, お下がりください. Now let's take a look at the example. So 危ないですから、黄色い線の内側にお下がりください. So the hiragana is 危ないですから、黄色い線の内側にお下がりください. So it basically means that for your safety, please stand behind the yellow line. So 危ない is dangerous. ですから、because it's dangerous, 危ないですから、黄色い線の so yellow line の内側に so inside the yellow line, beside the yellow line or behind the yellow line にお下がりください. So step back. So for your safety, please stand behind yellow line. So 危ないですから、黄色い線の内側にお下がりください. So that's our first example. Now let's take a look at our second example's keywords. パスポート, パスポート, so passport, パスポート. Next one is 航空券, 航空券, airline ticket, 航空券, airline ticket. Next one is お見せください is please show. お見せください. So パスポート, 航空券, お見せください. So let's take a look at the actual example. パスポートと航空券をお見せください. So hiragana is パスポートと航空券をお見せください. So it basically means please show your passport and airline ticket. So this is a very useful phrase when you go to the airport. パスポートと航空券をお見せください. So let's take a look at our third example's keywords. ご利用ください. ご利用ください. So please use ご利用ください. The next one is 7階. 7階 is 7th floor. 7階. Next word is elevator. So elevator. 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 Let's take a look at the actual example. 7階レストランにはエレベーターをご利用ください. Now ひらがな。7階レストランにはエレベーターをご利用ください. So it basically means to reach the 7th floor restaurant, please use the elevator. So 7階 is 7th floor. レストランには so restaurant に so the restaurant on the 7th floor. 7th floor's restaurant. エレベーターを so elevator ご利用ください please use. So please use the elevator to get to the 7th floor restaurant. Okay. 7階レストランにはエレベーターをご利用ください. So that's our last example, and that's the end of today's BitSize Japanese. So see you in the next one. If you like this content, please subscribe and check out other similar videos.